Welcome to Darsh Drama. Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about tools. And if you like it, please subscribe.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates from Darsh Drama.
See, lots of tools. And I'm wearing my protection goggles, see there? And even now I have to wear my protection gloves. Now I'm going to tell you about different tools. First, this is a hammer. See? Talk, talk, talk. I'm having some tools. And, this is a cutter. Let's hold it. Now we have the cutter, friends. Let's start cutting. That's the screwdriver. Choo, choo, choo. I'm done. Now let's get another tool. Now we have another tool. This is a clamp. You can hold wires if you want, cables and stuff. I'm done with that one. Yeah. Let's choose another one. This is the measuring tape to measure how much you want. I'm at 1. Got to go back to tape. Now let's choose another tool. Let's use this one. This is a ruler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have another ruler. Now we have pliers. What color is it? Golden. No. It's silver. And we have pliers. See. It looks like that. Let's choose another one. Oh, here's one. This is a drill. Did it have to make holes to put screws in it? Screws in buildings. That's a nice construction thing. Let's choose something else. Let's use this one. This is a wrench. You can tighten bolts and stuff. I'm done tightening that bolt. Let's choose another one. Here. And we have a magnifying glass. Wow! Ha! That's how construction man can find mysteries. You look bigger too. And we also have screwdrivers. Uniporter. I can tighten bolts. And even, you can see here the wrench. Wrench. Bye friends, I'll use all these tools in next video for workshop. Please wait for my next video. Bye. My videos, subscribe my channel. If you like my video, click here. If you want more videos, write my name. Bye.